Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's warmed up to a blazing 28 degrees today. It's supposed to get up to 32, so I'm going to break out the pressure washer and try to wash this thing off and see what we got underneath all that silver paint and algae we got growing on this thing. So stick around and let's see how nice this thing cleans up. Hey guys, well, welcome back to the channel. If you remember this 69 Lunar Green truck I picked up a few days ago, if you missed that, head back and find this video on there when I went and picked this thing up. Has a cool story behind it. But anyway, I've done a little bit of scrubbing on the door here just to see what we're going to be working with, and I was really pleased with the results. So this stuff is coming off. There's still a little bit of that silver paint on here. I'm hoping the steam cleaner can do that. I was doing this on the inside because it's been cold a few days. But it's a little bit warmer out and the sun's out, so that's the big factor. There's no wind and the sun's out. So I'm going to get this thing out of here and see if we can get this stuff blown off of here with the pressure washer and see what we're working with. This stuff right here, I know for sure this will blow off and make it look nice, but that silver paint, that's going to be the kicker. So I'm going to got the forklift in the way out there. I got it warming up so I can move it. Once I get it moved out of the way, we'll pull this truck out around to the pressure washer and we'll start going to town on it. Well guys, we got the forklift out of the way, got the truck out of the shop. Let's go ahead and drive it over here and then get the pressure washer out. We don't have any brakes, so this is kind of fun to do. Nope, that's neutral. There we go, that's reverse. Yep. There we go. Come on, truck. Stay running. There we go. Let's see if we can find drive. Maybe just neutral. I'm gonna have to stop down here. That didn't work. Reverse isn't doing anything. Maybe I'm not in reverse. Nope. The gear lever is not that good. Is that reverse? There we go. This will work. Neutral. Stop rolling. Park. Fixed. Oh, door handle didn't work on the inside. Oh, okay. Let's roll the window up. All right. So, let's see if we can get this stuff cleaned off of this truck. Okay, guys, now we're all ready to try it. Had to do a little trial and error on the steam cleaner there. It was out of diesel. That thing runs on diesel. And that generates the heat for the steam cleaner. So now I got diesel in it. Let's see if it'll do anything to this stuff here. Okay, I'm only going to be able to do this with one hand for so long. It's not getting quite all the silver stuff off, so I'm going to have to do some more sitting in one spot to get that stuff off, but that black algae stuff's coming right off. So I'm going to do some spraying here and seeing how good I can get this section here. So far it's going pretty good. If you can see that here, it's kind of, I'm on the shaded side. I didn't pick a very good side for video. I didn't get a lot of the silver paint off, and I tried really hard to get this stuff off, but it started getting through the lunar green, so I backed off. I saw that and backed off real quick because I don't want to, you know, I mean, this truck's future is a new paint job for sure, but I still don't want to make it look worse than it did. So this panel right here has some thick paint on it, so I got some of it off. Like right here, you really work hard and you can get it off, but I decided I want to try to get everything off, on all the moss and stuff off, and then come back and try on that silver some more. It turns out this thing has an awesome patina on the roof. Blew all that black stuff off, has a real nice patina up there, and the hood has some patina too. It still has that silver stuff on it, so it has a nice weathered look to it. Here on the front, I got the front end kind of cleaned off here, and this right here, you can see what it's like before I did it. This right here I haven't cleaned off. See how it's all black, and over here all the black is gone, and you can see that rust and patina show through. So I've only done half of the truck here. Overall, I'm real happy with how it's turning out. Over here we have the same real thick silver paint on the doors here, so probably not going to get 100% coverage on that. Same up here on the roof. Looks like we're going to have some good patina on this side too. So I'm real excited to see how it turns out. The camera battery is almost dead, so I'm going to go warm my hands up because it's pretty cold still. Charge the camera battery up and get back to work on this thing. Hey guys, back out here, back at it. I did a little bit of washing on this side while the camera was inside charging. You could get this the silver paint off, but man, you had to sit here and just be ultra careful, because like right here, I got through the lunar green right there, so there's a fine line between taking the silver off and taking the lunar green off. And this stuff right here was pretty thick, so I didn't get none of that. This right here, you know, just spots and stuff. Same right here, I couldn't touch this stuff. It was pretty thick. And the inside here, this stuff was real hard to get off, so didn't get much of that, unfortunately. The hood came out really nice, I thought. I did a little bit of cleaning under the hood here. This hood might be the gem of the whole buy, because there's really not any rust in it that I've found. Of course, this side's not cleaned off yet, but it has this nice patina on it with the lunar green. Engine kind of cleaned off. It's still kind of dirty, but I didn't want to get it too wet, because then I still want to drive this thing later. So if I get it too wet, the distributor gets wet, then you're fighting all that stuff. So did a quick spray down under here. But right now I'm going to tackle this other side, and we're going to do a time lapse on this side and see how it turns out. So I'm going to get after that. Well, here's how she turned out, guys. What do you think? Sadly, I couldn't get all the silver off for now anyways. If I worked at it longer, I could get more of it off, but it was just so time consuming. And right now I'm pretty happy with the how it turned out now. I really like the patina on the hood. There's a little bit of dent right here. Looks like maybe an experienced person could probably push that out, but this hood I think is pretty nice. So The roof turned out really nice as well. I haven't done any up-close inspection, but it looks like we are rust-free as far as I can tell. And it looks, I'm of course I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking this truck to be original paint, so I don't think it's going to be hiding anything under here. Yeah, that all looks good. Yeah, I think we're good on the roof. It has some nice patina on it as well. This side, I got a little bit more of the silver paint off on this side because I spent a little bit longer on it. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Think how it turned out. Here's the back end of the truck. Got the tailgate kind of cleaned off. So yeah, so that's this truck, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think and how it turned out, and what you think I should do with it. I have a few ideas, but I'm not quite sure yet. This might turn into the crew hauler project. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Hit the like if you like this truck. Subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.